Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to erase in TinkerCAD. So as you can see, I have this object, and let's say I want to put a sphere inside right here. So basically what I will do is select this sphere object and put on top of that. Basically now I will make a little bit smaller, so let's do that. All right, the height I want to be a little bit smaller. Okay, and now what I will do is basically just move a little bit down like that to be in the object. You can use align tool. So basically it will be able to center that. So what you can use is this tool, just place it somewhere. And now you'll be able to use align tool like that and just use the alignment. After that, just select on your sphere and make sure it is a hole like that. And now just select both these objects with your mouse and click Union Group. And as you can see, that's how you erase in TinkerCAD. You can do with other objects, so that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you do it. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.